writing down this poetry until the day I die.
And welcome back to my channel. So we're in a bit of a different location today. I've been given the opportunity to cook dinner for my family today. What we haven't had in a long time since I've moved to Australia is sloppy joes. So sloppy joes are like kind of like a mincemeat burger that's like not a patty, so it's like bolognese, like fall apart kind of thing. So I haven't had this in a hot minute. I have not had this in so long, so I'm actually really excited to make this. Never made it before in my life. We got our milk tea. Sorry we don't have boba today. This is all I got, so grab milk tea. Let's get coffee. Better get cooking because my family will be home soon and will judge me for filming myself. What we're gonna need is we're gonna need butter, olive oil, ground beef, green bell pepper, yellow onion, Chinese brown onion, garlic, tomato paste, water, brown sugar, chili peppers, chili powder, chili sauce, kosher salt, red pepper, flakes, black pepper, and also hot sauce because I am a fake Latina. Yeah, so welcome to my kitchen. I do like cooking. It is fun, but I mainly make pasta and gnocchi and like just easy fun stuff. So yeah, they're like very tiny. She's a bit weird. She's a bit weird. Little pepper seeds. They're so cute. So cute.
I'm like, tears. It's so sad.
I'm an emotional train wreck, even more than I was before. I'm like, bro, I can't believe that much onion came out of something this big. Damn, she thick. We got our onion and we got our green pepper. Let's talk about my addiction. Lately, I've been really addicted to iced coffee. Like, I got this, like, I don't even, but like, I've drank this whole thing. I never used to drink coffee that much before this. I've been drinking like 2 iced coffees every single day. Okay, so we got all the ingredients. I'm using Dijon mustard because the only other mustard I have is hot English mustard, and I don't want hot stuff, even though there's chili peppers here. We're substituting tomato paste with pizza sauce because it's pretty much pasted tomatoes. And yeah, so we got pretty much everything. I know it's a lot, but I think it's pretty simple. Like, you just throw it all in. So we're gonna get a large. Look how big my pot is. So you like, so that it can store and stack inside themselves. They've got like handles you just clip on in. So fun. Eat it in a large pan. I think that's good. I think you could deal with that. Set this like, stick it to the wall. We have this thing called a mix and chop. So we'll crack open the beef. You could probably use a meat substitute for this and like a butter substitute. You can buy so many substitutes for the things that I'm putting in here. How much garlic do I need? 3 cloves, so that means just 3 teaspoons. I think. If it doesn't, I don't care because garlic is the best. Trying to make this like cute little video, kind of Julian Solamita. Aries Kitchen vibes. Who doesn't love Aries Kitchen? 30 seconds or so, they say. Did you time it? Have you timed it? Because I didn't. So, pizza sauce. I need to get in there, sorry. Can I please get in that cupboard? Thank you. Wait, that's a lot of ketchup. What? That's gonna have to do, because that's almost all of our ketchup. I did put the right amount of ketchup, so it's okay, because I read it the 2/3, but in the 2 cups, like 1 cup and 2/3. So, oopsies. The family's home, guys. A tablespoon of brown sugar. Holy shit, what a mess! It turned into a bit of a mess. So, gonna put everything away. That's it. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and hope it tastes good. Okay, we're back in my thought I'd give you my final thoughts because my family's weird when I film around them. It was really good. Like, it tasted exactly like normal sloppy joes. Not as spicy because I didn't make it spicy, so that was good. I added cheese to it. I added shredded cheese. I love good cheese. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's just the only thing that was negative about it was the amount of ingredients that are needed for it. Butter, olive oil, ground beef, green bell pepper, yellow and Chinese brown, garlic, tomato paste, ketchup, water, brown sugar, chili peppers, chili powder, salt, kosher salt, red pepper flakes, but I'm not use that because I feel like if you missed out on some of the ingredients, you wouldn't even be able to tell. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all later. Bye!
Oh, tell me I'll be better. We were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker, like you know I'm here.